Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to create gradient color background for your YouTube thumbnails using Canva. As we mentioned before, Canva is a very cool tool for beginners and I think also for professionals as well, because it's very easy to use. You can create beautiful designs and yeah, it's awesome. So if you want to use a gradient background or any kind of shapes, you can go to the elements menu point, then use the gradients here. Here you can find a huge variety of designs where you can set a gradient colorway. Yeah, we could use these if you are designing, for example, an Instagram picture or something. But now we need this shape because of the background. Yeah, now we can choose the color combination. So you go here and you can choose color combination. The one thing which is very cool and useful in most of the cases, that the AI will find the colors that are used on your design that you already used, and it will recommend some colors from that, so you can match your design to the images, the previously used images. Now, so for example, right now it won't be a great choice because this image has very pastel, very light colors, and for background we need something more saturated, more vibrant. So I won't go with these. Maybe I could use one of these and add something like this, some blue. I think you can play with this, you can find cool combinations. It's really about style, so you can choose any. Let's try some combinations. This is very popular combination. This has a like an Instagram kind of vibe to it, but you can play here all day to find the best combo for you. Yeah, okay, let's choose something and then I will show you how the rest works. Maybe like this. Then when you want to set it as a background, you can do it like this and then just hit it, send to back. Then it puts all the way behind the other elements. But you could also do something else. You can also right click on the element. Okay, now I fucked this up. What is happening? Yeah, sometimes Canva doesn't want to work. Okay, let's bring it front. Or you can just choose, oh, I don't know why it does not appear right now. Sometimes there is an option that you can choose which says set as background, but right now it doesn't really appear. Maybe let's try like this. No, I don't know why, but it's not. In this case you can always just set it like this and done. Maybe it works only with images. Let's try with an image. Okay, we don't need to change the... Yeah, this was what I mentioned, set images background. So it seems that it works only with images. Cool. So that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Check out these playlists for more Canva tutorials, Instagram tips and tricks, and TikToks and everything. Subscribe for more. Check out my progress videos from 0 subscribers to 1 million subscribers. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you tomorrow.